Hey guys, okay, so I'm going to show you how to make your arm model for the project. You don't have to make it, but I wanted to come on and show you a video on how to make it. So what you'll need the printout. I've already cut mine out. So you have three pieces. You'll have your hand, you'll have your lower arm, and your upper arm. You'll need one of these little fasteners, if I can pick it up. You'll need a fastener, okay? You'll need two pieces of string or ribbon and tape. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fold your hand in half. And so it says to glue. You can glue it if you choose to do so. I am going to choose to staple it because that's just going to be the easiest thing for me to do. So what you're going to do, you're going to fold your hand in half. You're going to fold your lower arm in half, so your lower arm has two bones in it. So then you're going to place it inside of there and either glue it or tape it, whichever you choose to do, or staple it, whatever you have at home. All right, so then you're going to take your upper arm and you're going to fold that right in half. And mine are green because I just thought green was a fun color. Okay, so you're going to take your string and you're going to tape it on the X's. So you're going to tape one here, and then you're going to tape the other one on the other X. Well, if I can get it. Okay. Okay, and so once you get it taped, it should look something like this. So you got your string, you got it taped. So now you're going to take your upper arm and you're going to line up this hole with this hole. And you're going to place your string right on the inside. Right on the inside, so that when you open it up, you've got your string on the inside like that. Then you're going to take your string on the outside, this one here, and you're going to string it through the bottom holes. So you're going to string it out of one hole and then back into the other. Then you're going to take the one on the outside and string it through the top holes. So out of one side, and then back into the other side. So now you've got your string, okay? And you're going to take your fastener and you're going to stick it right through this hole here, like that, and fasten it. Okay, so once you have your model built, you're going to notice that it says tricep and bicep. And so as we know, those are the two muscles that are in our arm, okay, the two sets. And so as our muscles or our string is connected to our lower arm here on the ulna and the radius. So when you pull on the string on the top or your bicep, your hand will come up and your arm, your muscles act in the exact same way in your arm. So when you pull on the lower one, or the triceps, it goes down. Okay? So you've got your muscles, or your string, that pull on your lower arm, and it moves it. And that's exactly how it works in your body. So your muscles pull on your bones and it moves your bones. And that is exactly how it works. So your fastener here, that represents your joint, okay? Because all movement happens at joints. So if we didn't have joints in our body, we wouldn't be able to make this motion in our hand, okay? So if you make it yourself, you play with it a little bit, and there is an assessment that you'll take. My string came out. There's an assessment that you'll take on Schoology on this arm model, okay? And I just wanted to do it because it really explains how the muscles and the bones work together to create movement in our bodies. All right, guys.